Just a little quick video of the guy that lives next door to us, the neighboring farm, if you will. It's one of these donkeys, chickens, and a goat he milks and makes cheese from. There's his other donkey. I don't know if you can see the canola field in the background over there, but it's just so nice over here. First week of May. I just couldn't resist having 3 different animals in one video. I mean, it doesn't get any better than just organic eggs, organic chickens, fresh cheese, and Mother Nature feeds them. Look at all this pretty green pasture they have to eat here. Just beautiful. Real laid back environment, peaceful life, no traffic jams, no rat race in the big city. There they're arguing with each other, but anyway, the chickens, the donkeys, and the goats. So, thanks for watching.